Northern Arizona University has some outstanding graduate students in biology. Student Life reporter Haley Quiner brings us this report.
NAU is host to a number of hardworking and dedicated students. The Applied Research and Development Building is the home base for two graduate students with exceptional skills. Jennifer Ginther is one of those students.
And Paul knew that by myself not having a doctorate, that would hold me back in my career progression. So he really helped me to see that going back to school and getting a PhD was going to benefit my career in the long run.
Along with continuing her education, Jennifer currently is researching a potentially fatal infectious disease. It's spread by bacterium found in the soil of Southeast Asia.
And so what I'm doing here is looking at this bacteria, looking at its natural environment where it lives in the soil, and trying to characterize that, because from that, we're hoping to discover more about its pathogenicity, its virulence, and why it infects humans.
Jennifer was also elected as the NAU student representative for the Arizona Board of Regents. She says the experience has taught her a lot and has ignited a passion for the educational process.
I think, in higher education, I've grown an appreciation for how important research is at academic institutions, at universities around the nation. The research is really one of the driving factors of the success of the university, and there's some cutting-edge research going on, and it's something to be really excited about.
Along with Jennifer Ginther, Inside NAU is highlighting another exemplary graduate student. Cindy Liu, this year's recipient of the PEO Scholar Award, is also very dedicated to her research and wants to use her skills to help others.
So a lot of the work that I'm doing here is actually applying a lot of the cutting-edge technologies that's been developed here to clinical samples. We take potentially very complex clinical infectious diseases, and we use a molecular-based approach to understand what are the potential pathogens that could be causing the disease.
Cindy and Jennifer's work are examples of the types of opportunities offered through the NAU Biology Department and through the Graduate College.
We're very proud of our students, and we want to support them in every possible way. We offer undergraduate research experiences where we have undergraduates, don't have to wait till they're seniors, coming in to work with individual researchers in their laboratories.
I think that it's really hard to know what you want to do when you're young. And I think that talking to other people and trying different things and finding something that you're passionate about, young people have to not be afraid to ask other people to give them a chance, so just take that initiative.
As female scientists, Jennifer and Cindy are role models for young girls who have many opportunities.
I think that the field is definitely more open to females, and you can see that in the population as younger females are starting to rise to greater ranks as well. And I think that there needs to be more awareness at a younger age to get girls interested in science, math, technology, and really to encourage them, to let them know that it's okay to want to do science.
For Inside NAU, I'm Haley Quiner.